if your little daughter, who's 6 years old, go in the bathroom, a public bathroom at Walmart, and one of them dudes with a dress on and some lipstick try to go in the bathroom after her.
That's a no can go.
I'm gonna tell him, hold on. I'm gonna tell him, my daughter in there. You got to wait. You got to wait. I don't care.
Come on, Craig. Facts. Spit your game. Come on, Craig.
Because if anything happened to my daughter with a man in the woman's bathroom, I got to go ahead and get that bill money.
That's why they
no doubt. No doubt.
Thank goodness, because they made those right after my kid. I said,
shut no bathroom with no insane man. People keep saying they don't care. They don't care enough. But it's going to affect your life eventually.
It is.
It's going to impede on your life.
Just like the counseling stuff, just like the sensitivity stuff, all that stuff. It all comes full circle.
No doubt. No doubt. It does.
You know, some people, they raise their kids. When they were talking about, girl, but they, you want me to say it? You know what I'm talking about?
Man. If he know he will spill it, he can't hold water.
But them kids got to go in society, and they might meet your kids, and that might run it, fuck up your kids.
Oh, come on, languages.
You gotta care about shit that's going on around society. Yeah. Like, look, now this is what's crazy. I'm gonna get in trouble for this, but I can't switch it up. We talking about the sister, Jesse Larry. Mm-hmm. Jesse Larry was going in on the insane man.
Okay. I missed that.
Because society is fucked up. Even though Jesse Larry's points were, in my opinion, on point.
Mm-hmm. That's dope.
Our sister is still lost because she bust down with her child for publicity. Right. You see what I'm saying? You see how out of whack we are in society?
That's crazy. That is super crazy.
Like, yeah, that's good, but it's like a person who will be like, I don't eat meat, but I lick out the back of somebody's ass.
Stop.
What is wrong with you?
That's a bad analogy.
You better than me.
Oh, no. No, that's not right. That's not right at all.
Just that people are trying to impose what they believe and feel in their heart of hearts is right.
Well, everybody has their own opinion. That's the name of the game.
Causes fights.
A lawless society, or a society whose laws are created by the corporation, it's going to be chaos like it is.
Wow.
But shit, here's the thing.
Come on, Craig, spit your game.
The Trojan horse, they are the back door that this community used to be able to do this. Because black women, white women, all turned against the men and their races to protect, these activities.
Well, they believed in the beginning that, everybody has the right to kind of do and want to be what they want to be, but when it just went too far when they're trying to say, no, in other words, they were talking bad about natural born women. That's what
Well, when you want to infiltrate,
come on, D, spit it.
Infiltrate the enemy. The best way is to go through the weakest link, and not saying like that, but they go through the women and the children. Well, Marcus, what you said, listen, brother. You said it right.
Man.
It's just you tried to say it the politically correct way. Yeah. This is a fact. Women
Can't believe him for that.
are supposed to be a resource for the man. Women are not supposed to be walking around this motherfucker saying, oh, I'm this, I'm that, showing you. All the shit is done. It's a girl who is.
Come on, now spit
I
it.
can't think of her name. Damn, I had it too.
Black, white, Mexican.
She a black girl. She a rat though. She a rat, and she act like a rat. And she can reference.
Come on, man, don't do that.
Who? Is that her name? I'll tell you who she is in a second. And it's so sad about this girl, because I saw this girl get violated.
Oh, you're talking about, he's right, you're right.
What's her name? Is it Sukihana?
You're talking about the one that got kissed, and then after that she's talking all that crazy stuff out.
Yeah, Sukihana. Now, the way she conducts herself, she brings people in her energy that is foul. She cries to the foul.
Okay.
She does all of this.
So it's Cry Wolf type shit.
But when that dude on the podcast showed a picture of his dick to her like that, when that dude kissed her and all that, she's being violated.
Yeah.
But yo, we want to take up for the sister because we naturally had that in us. But if you really know how she moved, she invites this on herself. But still, the men that take advantage of the insane woman
You're not supposed to,
is foul.
Oh yeah, I'm with you there, brother.
What you doing?
No doubt, I'm with you on that. That is foul.
If you can show people pictures
Come on,
of
man.
all day long, dog,
That's
and they
disrespectful
won't go against that, man.
to do like that lady.
This society, what mothers be teaching second grade? Listen, young people, this is what you want to grow up to be. If you could just do this, you see what I'm saying? It's like society has no chill.
None
Now,
whatsoever.
the same girl,
That's
I
crazy.
say something about,
Anyway,
men die, they be alone. But when women die, people be at the nursing home and everything to see them. I'm just saying like a little piece of what she said.
Yeah.
She's an
yeah.
insane woman who's allowed to grow
Wow.
in society. But her growth in society is bringing society and herself down. Because there is
Wow,
no
those
law
pups are
or
pretty
show
quiet back in
women
their
that
cage.
you can't
In
do
the house.
certain things
They say nothing.
until
They
these
relax
bitches go
it.
out of town.
Okay, you see them right back there?
When these bitches go out
They
of
chilling.
town, they find out the hard way. This ain't America. Some bitch is in jail in Dubai right now. Do you know what the bitch in jail for? Being
Running down
loud
mouth.
in public.
You didn't do that. Respect.
At Blue Bunny, we test to make sure our mini treats